Hello, my people, my people, my people, my people, my people, my people, my people. Tagara me the water here because Tagara me the water this place. They need you to break. Oh shit. They need you to zero brain. I'm a big bam. I went to come out. It got him and my age. Look, it's in one. It's in one. Really for 84. Akukite. Leader. There was Akukute Gopo. That's what I thought joining the Sherry. A Korea Quaggy metal spin. The Shanat neither even my defense. Nankarime Besagana. See me, China, Onyana could make me. Onyana could make me. Chibuna could worry too strong. Because all one of my put on home. Number and kids, if you had Maggie Pets, Maggie, I wouldn't have known that PJ screenshotted my. Yes! So, you see who will lose this game? It's you guys. Because it's about to happen. What I go? In Ashimoni, you won't need my advice. He won't need my advice. He passed a common primary school. Did you see the four corners of university? Imananahi. There is nothing you can do. All you need to do is careful to where he could be remember. When it remain in Kutu Okufuya. Oh, eh? They see or won't feel about because of ya joining us together. All get pot to your con. It's horrible. Imagine how number and kitten. Yeah, only during bash for years. I can remember not gonna PJ and a plan here. Or to show you that wisdom is profitable to direct. That I followed my instincts. Nobody would have known that a woman Oromo may assume fake pregnancy over the minibar Jonah for was capable to screenshot my nude. Imagine advising me or Calesia. Nobody would have known. Not why I should be mad today. Everybody could have called him a good person, a good person. No one man. Guys, please share them video on the other pages because share the page because can play your on a useless conversation. Get Saturday. I crush. So some of you can pretend you can lie for Africa. Just lie, just to have a point to come out to Saga. A point so that we can nego. She hear me all of you. I hear somebody saying I'm coming to Ireland. I'm out to make you now to become Anjukwan again. You remember when I used to preach? I'm gonna preach that time. No one preach. Now say, one can not preach you one more. Me, you can want now. I don't want you now. I want a file and you buy all that feature. Someone you buy you benetaka. If I don't want you big, just benetaka. Now that's screenshot talking, right? When you get so, girls don't can I shy. Okay. Ewe bomb. I was on my own doing my thing. I know. I just preach what I think is right and good. Okay. Yeah. Now, I do look at Najo. Now, can you know okay. Are we still going to be preaching stop sharing on Tom one or no share Kemo? Should we still continue preaching? No, you will share. Share. Or share or share. Share. If you get any why, Megan, share. Share. Yes. Are we supposed to preach that or we should stop preaching? No, PJ, that? You should share. I'm asking all of you questions. No, see, PJ, one thing you don't understand, we witty. But each am I here? Now, I will say continue.
Any woman, post on social media, I still maintain my stand. I will continue to say share. Nothing can change that. Onyo will not put around you with Otoya, send there anybody. Oh no, what masturbate with anybody. Ogechi can never change her stand. Now, PJ, let me tell you one thing you don't understand. They gave us the consent to bring out their nudes. They made it public. They made it open. I never gave you any consent to screenshot my private parts. Did you get it? There are two different things. Now, you called me on WhatsApp. Coincidentally, I was also taking my baths. You screenshotted me because and told him that I will not let you rest until you got share. So finally, finally, it's truth. So imagine all this thing where you are tapping, you a useless, hopeless shower. I cannot take because of you, but on outside. BJ, I tell you with all my full life, I want you to share it. Achoro mushigo. Give up with screenshot without my permission. You came, you screenshotted my nude. Achoro mkiwa putaya. No capping. But all shigi. Okay, they are well. I don't play a game I will lose when it comes to my own dignity. Even when I give it, I don't make a pushy at the cap. So whether you preach it or if the water again, any woman will put it again, I personally will use it to conduct program. No capping. BJ, I will do it with my full chest. Even if you were put it now, the question should be, okay, how did this thing come out? And I will say it. And I will drag you anyhow, anywhere. Anything that I'm getting, I will do it. No capping, no changing my stand. Oh, so here compare. You so you need to be in my life for more tomo. Okay. Thank God you are saying it though. That is why. Oh, thank you on your commentary. That is why. How did your nude come out? That one who's your best friend. And I'm not was it. How did you get anyway? No need of explanation. Let's listen to you. I'm not your brain because of our shower. Spam, if I'm not even the one that handling the matter. Many people have taken it up. BJ, if you do not bring it out. Anyway, let me even continue to listen to you. See one agent, yes, Andre. Okay.
You can lay allegation and say all sorts of rubbish.
Okay.
Get the proof out. The proof is the what matters. So we
BJ, now listen. Sister Choma never told me anything. You know what? I need your attention here. Sister Choma never. Yes, Sister Choma for make peace. Sister Choma don't want peace. Oh no, Porama. Oh no, Porama, and it's on this car that you guys are lying against that woman. Oh no, Porama. Because you don't know who you guys were discussing shit against me. You guys were going to impulse, so crying. Laying complaint that I'm not even aware of what is going on. You guys were going from one place, calling people that support me from their hearts. Sister Choma, if that woman ever call me, BJ, let me know see tomorrow. Make I payment. You see how you guys point finger at the wrong persons. Is that water? Because that voice note too. Alisa Passerege, did anybody like Sister Choma spoke in that manner? That was not Sister Choma. Oh, is that why you guys are targeting her? She's not the one, honey. I hardly even talk to Sister Choma. I hardly talk to her. We hardly talk. She only call when she wants to donate money to somebody like what on our line. Or, okay, I want to support the NGO. She never for one day say, okay, it's another person, man, they know my die-hard fans. What because send the was how she has been sending money to my NGO. Na support to deadly. Na amaneku. Na gena neku. No na turn on a conference call. Ni repeat yella that thing once. Yashim back. I am going to she record. She had to record you. She gave it to me. She said, Ogechi, I have never done this before. But I will record it because I love you so much. These people want Eve. And that's what Igbo gebu. That Nama constantly call her. Now this saga, na Bola Sharon, or Orita, or Jinjim, make your honey in a piece. No black they will come out. Na tight go line ya. Get up na tight go line ya. Na line ya ni na go solid. Na PJ, na ya no riako, na get measure ya no riako. Measure ya na actually before no day lama plan what this thing no did today. She okay, why didn't you call me? Yashemba. Na here me wake up the situation down. No wuru na ono no kpora am na about today. If I ever lie here ni nam neku. Let this road do na about every time to go to work judge me. Anything I'm about to tell you now. Let this oborama be the judge here ni nam neku today. More time na anya and any of my all the cars in Nanya Oboda, let them be the judgment here na ko. Mashi the woman. Why didn't you tell me the woman is shemba? Na ya kwa na mo onye na nwere iwe oku na m ka escalate the matter na ihe na eme wo na na calm the situation that yeah the woman ship EJ. Why did you screenshot Ogechi Bona sa without her consent? No pula here saga. No tell record what I make. If I like make I no see tomorrow. No te go ya record what I make. Okwe young boy o gaga na auto. Okwe young boy o jere auto. A young boy, you just destroy your destiny. What tell he record what I make about me. Let anything like I could get into influence of anything no wula. They be planning this saga on my head though. Now imagine Nampaya will make with 200,000 year. Jesus Christ. Now I'm gonna expect in here 5 to 10 million. MG Wuro upon 7 years, yes, from. Now let me make it clear to anybody. Let me make it clear to each and all of you that are coming out to give me support on your own. Man, always yoku. Don't expect funding from me. I did not hire anybody. Anybody that is expecting anything from me, but para zero. I don't buy anybody to come and saga for me. If you are depending on anything, I will give you for you to come out to saga for me. You must be out of your mind. My giving is from my heart. In the name of Ogechi will give you anything. Seize it from today. Do you know that Amma came into my life without even supporting really? These people are expecting much. Please, if you are around me and you're thinking that Ogechi Diego, you have lost the game. Do you know that Amma 5 to 10 million? Nam Diego, na my watch. Nam Diego. Nama, hey! Could you imagine? Could you guys imagine how people can be so close? I'm mad that a family ununina could not build a common house for Ganon, even wine. Then you expect go de matter than one capicon. Now me we go na younger people. Now after that get whole record man. Do man shim become a koluya. I am Jigba in the water, please. Please do not. You guys should leave Sister Chomo alone. Oh, you guys were discussing with several persons that thought that I may get their number. My name is support. I may save your number. He support one save your number. Yes, if you be the first contact, I'm going to hear name. As I'm a Libra, I'm a very Libra person. Go and find out my sign. I'm October Libra to a fault. The way him now, and I cannot even kill a fly to anybody to only him na anything. Now, these people were expecting more from me. Could you imagine? You expecting me to run your show for you, to bring all my top billionaires for them to come and support you, PJ? Why? People, you go and nash them for free. I don't understand. Now these people expected much from me. Expected now, I'm a some 5 million na Ghana. Come nigga 10 because the acquisition 10 million, any 10 million. Where is that acquisition? Because I can only 10 billion because these are the kind of people I'll call, they will give me such money. I'm ready to broke. You will to there is nothing you will offer me. You being around me is like a parasite crawling under my skin, sucking my blood. Get a PJ. I keep losing around you. Huh? Because my followers say return it. Okay, because everything they did it because of me. Meko moto, meka jirizola genta, make jiri nyekingri, return it, yamadoha mabugi. No, so because she will take proof. If I did not have proof, I won't believe that. If I did not have proof, the same statement he make in another voice. So don't come here to be pointing finger. Sister Choma never discussed such thing. Sister Choma never told me such. Sister Choma your own testify. I mean, when any this woman she only called to donate. This is how you guys now point the finger at the wrong person. Make we hear you, PJ.
I will destroy any destroyer with proof.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just say it again because somebody was saying, did you take permission? Did you take permission from Emeka before you record him?
Okay.
All of you are moron. You know why?
Okay.
I have
network or like opera. What about you again?
Let me bring you on. We are here to preach the gospel. Slowly.
They have been planning this up. I'm going to be here.
Every unbreakable that comes to distract us. Everything must go down.
Okay, you must go down, Amma. I pity you. I pity you. I pity you.
Our strange numbers, you know. I have made it clear on the air. Amma, if you can remember, is my logo. Do not call me. If you call me, I will fuck you recorded. Yes. I take permission na several occasions. Okay. You cannot come out and defend yourself. Okay. Don't call my number. Okay. A lot of
PJ, you are an idiot. In this country, even if you put on a public, you're recording somebody anywhere. As soon as you post somebody, you are about to be recorded. Because not everybody watches your program. You have value. Do you know why people repeat constantly things when somebody call you? You are being recorded. You are being recorded. To remind you again, maybe you have forgotten. Not everybody watches you. Somebody can come out and claim that I did not watch where you said it and when you said it. So today, even if you put it in a public, not everybody follow your page, and not everybody watch your dead page. You can say it to yourself. Anytime somebody call, okay, each or discuss with anybody, you should tell that person you are being recorded. You remind that person again. That person hang you up again. You still repeat yourself in every conversation. Emalife, HME with a brain. I thought I was dealing with somebody with a little brain. You have to remind, even in the court of law, hold you 20 times. You know you're right. You repeat yourself constantly. Going on a record. So this is your defense. You are the most dumbest bitch I have ever seen in my life. Get a man on a brain on the same level. You cannot tell me you say something in the air. How many people watches you? Do you know whether I was alive that day you made that program? How many may follow that time or we put that in a feeling before joining again? How will you prove that I'm on me he put it on air? Hey! Chineke who the fuck na police na some na zuna chom mananya na eji ha actually onye ule na rekwa the police na eso panom na zuna na gafere you want to go? That is why phone get hang kia all this insurance and this medical line and all the rest people na you are still being under recorded. They will repeat themselves again. How can you tell me that you have said this countless times online? How many people follow you? How many people watches your video? So how will I know that you said it online? What about if I said that I did not watch that video, you said it, or I did not hear when you say it? Now what kind of brainless people I have met on this line? Did you tell me when I call you back that on which record that you are being recorded in case of incasity? Now little minority brains where people gather and make fool out of themselves. That's not happening here. You listen. Hey, HM in a developed country. Whenever they want to record you, they will tell you that they're recording you. Say, that means how many people, how many times can I make a video? If I may ask you, then I will go and bring out anything you did not mention on your platform, the video that you conducted, the only video them watching. How about that? How about that? How many times do you put in a video, if I may ask you? How about if I search the videos you conducted online, I did not hear where you said it? These are the only ones that I have ever watched you. How about that? My sister, you need a lot of brain and a lot of money. A lot of brain and a lot of money. Makachi. No capping. I'm just trying to let you know because your way of reasoning is very poor. Saga na emezi mkabji mata dachi onye mchenami ihe omari ife nkekwa ndị police go look up go thank God usoro na another lane. Let me continue. Can I again?
A lot of them
shire.
You can't defend it on the
Could you imagine?
So I have already taken the permission a long time ago.
Now let me tell you. Do you know why I just strike is some evidence out of the courtroom? Do you know why some evidence are not permitted to be presented? Because the person is not aware. I'm just being honest with you. Do you know why majority of the evidence unable to is striked? Not strike because the person is not aware. Voice note is number one. Judge Ashegi, that one is not again because the person was not informed. Imalife. It is too brainless to function in a proper. HM in a developed country. HM have walked around the globe. I thought you have lived around the world and walk around the globe and know the implication of the things you do. So pick your way put on a line and the person know ya. What about somebody who could a person who has a sense of mind here to apprehend that? Or what pass got through depression or something? the person can't remember. As you're recording people, you need to record yourself where you say that is being recorded. Do you know that? Because that's all these people not working at this country. You are recorded. You're on recorded line. It's also being recorded where they said it. Do you know that? Oh, so because you put on a line, because I don't watch your program, that's what I know that I have never had it. You cannot alert me again. That's the record and get your name in here. How Chineke who didn't them matter when I make here? You see why they always fuck up. Charo,
do not call my phone.
Imagine.
Yes, because I told my shit. They call me all for reasonable talk. Something that is very educating, something that is very impressive. Or it got called you a basket. I put on air, pretend that
then why are you entertaining such call when you know you do not accommodate gossip, but you took advantage of them and recorded them? You don't want gossip, right? Then when that person call, why didn't you disconnect that call? You do not like gossip, but you entertain it to destroy someone, right? You don't like gossip, how about you get record of the person? Do you understand? In a reason before you don't like gossip, because that's why you made it play. But how about in the process of the gossip you record people? Why? Can't you see that you are evil? You are evil personified. You see, you say you contradict yourself at the same time. You know, like gossip, they still call you, you still entertain that same gossip. Now you and I, who is lying to each other? Anyway, let's continue to listen to you, because I'm a normally fan. You normally fan.
I've already said it on the air.
Imagine
when I said my phone is on permanent record.
Imagine.
If you like, you grab it. If you like, don't grab it. Or for those that's coming to clear the air. What's up? I know you have to read.
So that means you're lying that you're getting on a permanent call. That means when I came out and said that on a hand up, so then now we looking at oh PJ, hey, your phone gives a permanent record. Oh, when Potassier describe other people that they won't have a permanent record. That all give another phone. Number listen, the other happen. Then we see another way to come and defend your life. BJ, I told you. Because that so finally, your phone is on permanent record. That means Ogechi has been right. Right? That means your phone is on permanent record. May God have mercy on you, because you're not far from your little agadiwan praying. You're not far. So truly, on them matter what get with another phone. Truly, he sent the one other carry get to record man another one. Na ke put the gabanya no we lulu. Chineke ga go God burn your miserable bitch lifestyle. So finally, you're not in a permanent record. Church, God, who work out Pataka. Hey.
Yes. Oh my God, if you got the reason why, I don't blame people that record people.
Yeah.
They can lie from their teeth. If not this, because me my hair menka, mare menka.
Okay.
One time when I get down on a corner on Facebook, he put out more rubbish, Siano Mushi, where evidence of voice destroy.
Okay. And they can destroy how again
casting I'm again on America. Okay. Even if phone no you juna.
Okay.
Phone no jure ju too much on me fit tire.
Good.
So bring it on. Bring it there on. When they bring it on, can they fit on my phone? Actually, me release the phone. What the phone my block all and voice recording and then
even
voices. I want to release it to the air. Everyone should know my
PJ. You are nothing but a usun. Nakam shabagya na bagya, so you will release it. You are nothing but usun otulaya shiga ororororororo. He will soon. And he will soon a shower all time a shower. I am very kick baggy. He will a face roller phone. Different phone just for recording. They go shiriju. He just saw phone. Don't wait for recording. In a head me calling. In a head download anything. Just for recording. Don't go shiriju. In a record do one in no jupe. Ya won't can you. Come on! We want Facebook to close. We want me to run inside. Actually, me run inside. I want to hide my face. I'm tired of this Facebook. I want to run away. Actually, give up to that thing that will make me disappear. Then him disappears. They disappear. And I query. Make we listen to you.
They can instigate like they set their fight so that they go saga we can pump up. Look at this one.
So I was paying you guys in a saga to come and saga for me. So you guys are here for me to be paying you. So I was paying you a go saga as well. Okay, why didn't you want other people to enjoy what you enjoy, what you guys have enjoyed for 7 years? Ona no get made the enjoy. You have for that people to real. That means since then you have been with me, you have been with Ego Saga. Allow others to enjoy the same money now. He may be enjoyed for 7. The money gone on how many years? Almost getting to 8 years. So allow people to enjoy now. Or get a bridge, get bridge close. Can't other people walk past? Allow the new people to eat. Please begin to listen. Wait.
Every conversation, every conversation, when she called, in the name, no, I do got Guinness. I mean, this trauma. Guinness.
You're not going to have a innocent woman.
You are not Korea Coast, yes. You're not going to have it recorded. I'm in there and you when it's necessary. So I'm direct. Finish different narrative. The reason why, it don't come to me if you cannot be straightforward. I'll fucking record you. I'm on a phone more. Mama, that woman that day. That was record. Like this. Because that was an information now that fire everything that represents your Igbo. I know 3-wave call
it's not true. Beauty Wanyoma is the lie. It's not true. PJ did not do it that way. When you listen to go record Emeka and the ones who send them on a record, that's the same format. That was how I knew that this woman is a blatant liar. Now, if I'm recording you, I don't want it to be too long, so you will not be exhausted of listening to the voice. Call him like he sent the hand no gala before you start recording another one. And when you automatically recording, it's a lie. It's a lie. And you may channel those things. You want Sister Choma never in this life. I don't know why they are sagaring this woman. She never did anything. She never lied to anybody. She never contacted me. She never told me anything. OMG, she the water. Ogula wonye on a saga inside that voice note. Because I know he's a man of integrity. And he will not. Because girl, Sister Choma, ma that woman na Sister Chioma nwere any similar voice. Ige chazie ya ga bia gwa m. Na ihe a na-ebu nwaanyị ọwa ashiko shi okwu. They are only targeting the woman because the woman kpọrọ ha na ya chọrọ. The woman akpọkwa na m si Sister Chioma, please, please. Ihe be m chọrọ ịgbapụ ga chọkwa inimi ya na again na chọhọ mụ. An innocent woman that has nothing. Mburu na complain, I mean, all thousands of people na mahunde na on a line. Why getting an innocent woman involved? Why? How come on a baby? Okay, present in Chineke. How come on a baby? You want to go? Make one know the call who no call now. Una to zilash. Let's make we listen because I'll go on my head.
I wake up. Where's my woman? I never has call anybody. So DJ can answer call ya.
Good.
That woman, I respect that woman because that's why I respect her. I've told all of that cop beside that from now. Madam, yeah, now according to the information soon with her. Now, my gene, my everything. I had the child to eat. I don't know where those nonsense is coming from. Give me cocoa. Give me cocoa. All add the remaining things. Diana, Ota na no go ties we come at Jaradin, Otais come at after dark, many things. But I went on time for that. Jaradin come at when I see now. Everything no record that but just exactly here we were about with anything. Can you tell you that this woman is a devil incarnation that claim that she wears the clothes of Christianity?
Look at you not point your own finger at people.
She's serving devil. She's not serving Christ.
Oh, God have mercy on these people. God may have mercy on these people.
It's very unfortunate, Ezoko. It's very. I'm not thinking about who does you see here? About this kind of person.
These people.
What's it make you big? Is your fear? Do you think that do you guys think at my level in this saga, talking 8 years, I'm on a conference call with anybody, contribute to without defending it on the air? All of you are a joker.
Okay.
Every fucking thing anybody.
Don't worry, no. I got who joke at the last.
I have
after that, after that,
okay.
Where can that clock go in?
Okay.
Where can that clock go in?
Okay. Because Ohaneze nega into no lekelele mono. Only no na loli after dark. PJ fashion ama. This very particular sister Amaro Monyo, but the rate Gila Majina Konye Basara, this sister Chioma, is really alarming. Amane Musi Mado Bula Mehere Onye Mekrano Wa Gamo Wiki. And in them ne pussy Onyama Adi Mube Aqua. Let me tell you, in as much as 1 year will le couple couldn't give me before. Ya will go shianaka. Magi puta. Nejo to na paria. Asim chineke gapu gone pib. E will go gabamuki. Give one man. That being ungrateful idiots. That you never appreciated everything Ogechi and her followers did for you. Ogechi appreciate. Otaki na pari this sister Chioma. Otaki na pari fortunate. Otaki na pari sugar. I am not doubt about the whole thing Imeke because that very day Muna PJ Kuge, which I was confronting her. I was just trying to comfort PJ Fashion about Okokuruna Okay, use
after that, let me play chat this thing. After that, let me play chat this thing. Just hold on.
Here is on the
Okay.
Believe it. Everybody should pay attention to this social media. This is my platform because platform but they don't follow phone get I promise it to
Let's bet, oh. Let's bet, oh. Let's bet, oh.
Oh. My trust, give her my good, but that's it. That tells you that. Because it is only this thing not getting Jesus.
I'm a bet I'm gonna go leave you.
Can you be putting people's minds and people are not all that very soon all these people they just here. By the time we make an assignment, you go do same man.
Oh my God, it's the car.
Let me tell you what this assignment is. See, I am going to visit the iniquity of parents.
Oh, nah, jealousy are the man. Wow, jealousy are the man. Hey, hey. I better not have an TJ. I'm telling you.
Continue.
I'm here brainless to bring the H down. It's number one, here go the brainless.
On your own. I can't know about
Now what the assignment? Ebe along the process.
So Pigeon is alive.
Oh, you try to me, you not gonna kill me, Ama. Ama, you not gonna kill me, oh. There, woman of God.
Touch and do my prophet. It is a promise that God gives.
Oh, my name make okay. I don't like it.
I know that voice. Can hear here. Oh, the voice you played before now because we can't join your life. Yes. I remember that man singing. You offer for me. You offer for me. Oh, that is the one that plays. That's the one. That reminds me now. Him and I was not watching because I can never allow anybody to distract me. When I'm ready is when I'll pay attention to anything. I just got to know that the man put away me porn ya we say Nanti pa we say aga bori mad. Oh guy get with evidence so. You go bring that evidence when no wagi ga bora mad. It is a promise. Agwala munu believe in propaganda saga. I know they do propaganda. I know they for that. That is what that is what has been keeping me going like. I will never put that makananchori put them nchoroka church come ka omune wini mbana be me propaganda they people allegation. So if me for no game Peter, if me for no singing a mua.
I'm telling you, Kiro. Really? I'm telling you.
Well, let me just remind you and let you know that from the first day, even though we are recorded 100%.
And they borrow you
guys when you buy
and they borrow you. Oh,
from the very first day, your voice is well saved.
Hey,
and then when I'm ready, there whatever back to share aside. You will try your own because definitely it can save that conversation. You can't just come online now. They are saying I'm singing woman without having it saved somewhere. You are a joker. All the each other saga in a waste time.
Okay.
Bring in a voice get to
PJ, you're talking trash. You are the highest propaganda, the liar. We cannot get on where you are the mother the propagandas and lies. You, if you can lie from the beginning of that Emeka to Waragime to the end, Yawuru Center Wanje to the end, British to the end, the wagon was PJ, where anybody can get the dangerous. Did you hear what I said? If you make too much or just to waste my time, or they come again, he plays the thing. If you time a response to game mega they can latch back. I think I will keep mute. Email voice, baba reply again. But I think I will keep mute until game. I got my chicken, kita loch, ogula him when it's ya. Because there is no need of coming here. Actually, play, Maya. Because all man the thought they come now reply, you're not doing anything. Come go digging kitchen. Let me ignore you for now. Because there is no need of all this thing you make. No matter like who this your move. What I go? I go like poro my bed the punk but every time I will get we fuck them up. Saga my bag get time you need it. I will give you this time you need it. Give you that will destroy me. Because I will not play my own. I don't have voice. Until they play Facebook about Biabo, then I will start playing my own. What I go? He can who okay for Facebook. Everywhere are silent. I try me, Chere? Okay.
You can never lay allegation and go court free.
Okay.
You can't propaganda with my name and go court free.
Okay.
Did I hear you say nothing that woman? You put her in that.
Okay.
Knowing full well your face is with me. I will go to that one on your page. They are fake.
Put on some ways. Put on a hide. If you like it, you record somebody's face. If you like record a palm, it doesn't matter. Or when you get record somebody get your nigga like court free. You cannot record everybody on your about the people know how they operate their moves. You want to go? So it's both ways. You want to go? So make a come back. Can you know the time because she need a juma me come back and no getting catches. Kijuma your day come on because so in day name me choro and then name me choro. Oh, was in a man make a bunch. Okay, if I was in that one, always called on like a chief na collect auto.
I screenshot you the day you call me video. And I voila. I'm not here. I be a people with 2 people.
I know.
In Tramanya with my experience, 7 years now this mess. 8 years now this mess.
We know.
If you let I'm not tired like this, do you believe it? It come on a phone, where's Araga?
Okay.
I request your picture. It's some Ghana air. I'm saying no, I don't believe on Ghana air. Because anybody can use any profile to make a profile. Any picture to make a so I'm saying come video call, come phone me. I demanded for that. Oh. Okay. I was phone me toast to me, they 1 million in a day 1,000 calls.
Madam, I love and toast.
Oh God.
Madam the precious.
What come the reason why I brainwash some people? You know that one no hi, Shina. Oh, what you experience oh what a tower to nala. Believe you are having a conversation with a reasonable human being. Oh yeah. To the extent got him on call with Tonyos a sister, I'm more real, more fake. Sister, you know,
I'm coming to that. I'm going to back on town.
All of you that know how to lie. Whenever I speak, I stand and speak the truth the way it is without adding salt and pepper.
Okay.
But all of you that add salt and pepper, Madam propaganda. That propaganda lying against people is what will destroy us completely on this social media.
Okay.
Because you can't lay allegation on people and you think you'll be going
I said it.
Atari on.
Okay, because this way I'm not going.
Without no evidence. Ime hala show onye wa shire gi. Onye wa shukwa gi. Onye wa nyukwa gi from Italy. I tell me nigga put information ebe mbara show on Italy. Oh my God. Listen, Peter. Let me tell you something.
PJ,
to finish.
like I said, I'm not showing you no evidence. Until get him all your evidence by then. Hello, babe. Hello? Yeah, I'm name the motor. Oh, you want to go the I'm name the motor, put a beam. Okay. Oh, beg alarm, ya pay my map in your yeah. Oh, why are you locking it from there now? Okay. No, more. Yeah, I just clock her in on the motor. Alright. So guys, I push it in 5:55:33. So I can make sure maybe not no long. What I go? So PJ, actually, I can play anything in you because can play self. I don't get from keep everything. They no destroy him. That maybe anything who make baggy. You emanate me information. Maybe obidovula. Oh, guys, come for big. Come happy to what alarm again. Alright guys, I'm no longer because I'm just consume all my 16 hours. I think I'm lazy. Like I won't jobless like I'm a party idiot. It's body but oh really join me on Callistus. Callistus, are you coming live? Because I'm going because kanga para my cool man. Ego I will
Okay, you move. Ipola.
oh after that couple I for the day here. After all of my sister. Kanga para ego because I get you later.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, my love. Thank you.